My name's Sharon and this is my hair story. Ever since I went grey, I kept it really short to keep it with a little bit of edge. So I do everything I can to make sure that when I go out of the house, I've got just the kind of look and curl and height that I want. When I'm styling my hair, I think I'm quite lucky because it's got quite a lot of body. So even if I'm not using product, just using a hairdryer or using my hands to scrunch will get quite a good effect. You know, when my hair is looking good, then I feel amazing. If the hair looks good, I feel good.